Good morning, boys and girls. Today we are going to work with part 6, Superlative. We will work with the student book, okay? Now, open your student book. These are the pages we are going to work with. Number 1, page 87, activity 1. Here you have to read, look and write the names of the wrestlers in your notebook. Here to complete these sentences. Stop the video, complete number 1, 2, 3, 4 with the name, okay, of the wrestlers, and then check your answers. Here you've got the answers. Number 1, red dog. Number 2, red dog. Number 3, dynamo. Number 4, dynamo. Okay, let's continue. Now, page 87, activity 2. Remember this vocabulary. Height, weight, trophies, just in case. You have to invent a wrestler and write something about him or her and draw a picture. This is an example, something like this. You write name, height, weight, number of trophies, number of fans, and the picture, right? In your notebook. Now continue with page 88, activity 1. Again, be attentive to the vocabulary. In this activity, you have to read and complete the sport trivia. You've got here the adjectives. Be careful. We've got long adjectives and short adjectives. Okay, so read the text and complete here, okay, with the correct form of the adjective. For example, in number 1, San Ming from China is 2.36 meters tall. He's the tallest, okay, basketball player in the world. Continue with the rest of the numbers. Stop the video, answer, and then check your answers. Here you've got the answers. Number 1, tallest. Number 2, the most expensive. Number 3, heaviest. Number 4, youngest. Number 5, oldest. Number 6, most successful. Continue with this. Page 88, activity 2. In this activity, they compare, okay, 2 people. Remember us, and the adjective in the middle. Here, be attentive to the surnames, okay? And, for example, number 1, Claire is as tall as Green. So look here and compare these 2 people, right? Stop the video and then check your answers. Here you've got the answers. Number 1, true. Number 2, false. 3, false. 4, true. 5, true. 6, false. Right? Good. Page 93, activity 4. For this activity, you will need these words. 16, tennis coach, silver, youngest, first. Okay, so copy them in a piece of paper and then use them to complete the activity. Here is the activity. It is a listening, so be very attentive. Pay attention.
Listen again and complete the facts about Martina Hingis. Continuing with our series of interviews about child prodigies, today in our studio we have sports expert Jeff Sanders, who is going to talk to us about tennis child prodigies. Jeff, welcome to the program.
Thank you, Jenny. It's a pleasure to be here.
beauty. As the daughter of a Hungarian tennis coach, not surprisingly, she started her career as a tennis player early. She started at the age of 2. At the age of 2? I can't believe that. Yes. And when she was 4, she entered her first tennis tournament. Then, in 1996, she became the youngest player in history to win a Grand Slam tournament by winning the Wimbledon tennis doubles title at the age of 15. You mean the tennis doubles title at the Wimbledon Tennis Championship, which takes place in England every year? Exactly. And that is not all. The following year, she went on to win the Australian Open title, becoming the youngest Grand Slam singles winner of the 20th century at the age of 16. Unbelievable! And has she ever participated in the Olympic Games? Oh yes. She won a silver medal at the 2016 Summer Olympics in Rio de Janeiro. Amazing! Jeff, we have to go to some commercials, but we'll be right back.
Here you are. Now the answers. Number 1, tennis coach. Number 2, first. Number 3, youngest. Number 4, 16. And number 5, silver. Okay? Page 93, activity 5. Answer in your notebook. You have to copy the question and answer, then it is about you, okay? For example, which is your favorite sport? My favorite sport is... Do you prefer to watch or to play sports? I prefer. You decide. Number 3, who is your favorite sports star? My favorite sports star is... Okay, this is number 5. Fantastic! We have finished now. Part 6, right? You have worked very, very hard. Well done. Okay. Remember, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Okay, remember that is one of our secret messages, right? Bye bye.